y'all, for the 8th day of Christmas, we are thinking cookies. So we gotta leave something out for Santa, right? So we are doing the peppermint hot chocolate cookie. For this, we got flour, sugar, baking soda, salt, butter, egg, brown sugar, some cocoa powder, and some peppermint extract. But before we get to baking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so in our stand mixer, or if you're using a regular mixer, go ahead and do that. Now we're going to take 1 cup of butter. If you're like me and forgot, just go ahead and throw a cup of the butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. It's okay if it melts a little bit. We're going to take our egg. We're going to take a teaspoon of our peppermint extract. Take 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to go ahead and get that combined real quick. We want 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of our cocoa powder, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, we're going to go ahead and get this combined real quick. Then we want 2 1/3 of a cup of flour. Go ahead and get that combined. Slow so that flour doesn't. Now we're going to move over to a baking sheet. So on a cookie sheet lined with some parchment paper, take a cookie scoop and then roll it into a ball, and we're going to place them about 1 inch away from each other. Alright, now we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. We are going to throw these in there for 10 to 12 minutes. And then I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, after about 11 minutes of baking, we pulled them out. We let them rest on the cookie sheet for about 4 minutes before pulling them off and moving over to our cooling rack. Now we want to let them cool for at least 10-15 minutes, cool completely. And while they do that, you know, I can finish baking the rest of my cookies because obviously there's still more in the oven. But at that point, once they're all done, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have it. We got about another 2 dozen in the oven to go. But we got what we need for Santa on the serving platter. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over YouTube thinks you should watch it. Until next time, keep on cooking on.